Gus? Gus? Huh? Nobody in Gus was hurt because his friends and family don't believe him about the Shadow Knight cheated. So he decided to give up on being the knight that he always dreamed of. And and decided to run away.
I'm sorry, Pippi. I can't stay. I'm not wanted. I'm going to be a knight and run away. I'll miss you. I'll miss you, Pippi.
Me.
Goodbye. Goodbye, Pippi. Me will miss you.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. And anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I'm feeling so small. It was over my head. I know nothing at all.
so. I worked so hard to win. Maybe for the best. I mean, I'm too itsy bitsy to be a knight anyway.
Hey.
And I'm glad not to be a knight after all. What good is a knight like me when it's too itsy bitsy to be a knight anyway?
Hey.
Whoa! Huh? A wrench and slippery stuff? Hey!
Hey. Hey.
So the Shadow Knight did cheat it! I was right all along. Right all along.
Uh,
But hey, let me go!
Ha! So you did find out I cheated. That.
I knew it!
But I guess you're right, Gus. I did cheat it. That I made your entire family and friends believe that you're the one who cheated. And that was me all along. Well,
You shouldn't do that!
yeah. I can and I will. And I'm gonna make sure you don't push all night. No. No.
What? Hey, let me go! Where are you taking me?
Me. I want a little trip. Have to run away. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye!
See ya! Wouldn't wanna be ya forever, God. Ha! I can't believe I did it! I did it! I got rid of that pesky nut. I. Ha 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 ha! Oh.
Oh no! Where you get? Where'd it go to?
No. Hey! Look at the bug!
It's
Huh?
something's coming out of the book.
What? Wow.
Oh, come on!
Huh? Hey! What's with all this? What was that crap? Hey. Must. Where'd he go? Oh. Hey! What's going on in here? Yes. Oh. What was that crap? Thanks. Yeah. No. No. I was wondering myself. How too? Oh. Hey, who is that? Oh, bro, that's a boy. Alright, just as a night. Alright, but it's a lot too late to go Halloween, Ernie. In your neighborhood. Well, that's your. Oh, hey.
Did it hurt?
Let's find out. Hi. Me. 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 Me.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh.
Where?
Hi. Oh.
Whoa. Oh. Who are you? And where am I?
Me. Hey. Oh, I'm Big Bird. Hey.
You sure are.
Hey.
And Elmo. No. And I'm Rosita. And I'm Abby.
And I'm Grover. Over. You're on Sesame, and you're on Sesame Street.
Sesame Street? Is that the place where we live? Pleased to meet you. I'm Gus.
Yes.
Oh, we know. We're reading about you in the storybook.
What?
You are? Yes, the Shadow Knight. They trick everybody to believe that you cheated. But we know that Shadow don't cheated. Needed.
It.
You do?
You do. Oh.
Hello.
Oh.
I don't like interrupting a conversation.
Oh, that's it. Oh, and these are other friends. Friends. Ends.
Yes. Hello, little knight.
His name is Gus Cookie.
Oh, hello, Gus. Me, Cookie Monster. Oh, and this is Zeb Gonger.
Okay.
Hello.
Well, greetings. Thanks. I am the Count. I love the Count. And I'm Baby Bear. I'm Telly.
And I'm Zoe.
And I'm Bert. And I'm Ernie. Nee.
Pleased to meet you all. Oh, so you all live here?
Yeah, well, of course. Sesame Street is where we belong. Oh, that's right. Right. There are lots of people, and monsters, and birds in our neighborhood. Who are the people in your neighborhood? Oh, we are the people in your neighborhood. We're the people that you meet each day. Hey. That's right.
I'm the big bird in your neighborhood. I am the big bird in your neighborhood. Oh, I am the big bird in your neighborhood. I'm the big bird that you meet each day.
Hey everybody,
That's
come meet
all right.
our new music teacher.
Right.
Her name is Jenny.
Hola, Jenny.
Hello there. Get lost.
Mama is a monster.
Friendly monsters.
There.
Right.
Me too. I'm Telly Monster.
Me, I'm Rosita. Our monster that you jump
And say wubba wubba every day.
We monster really love to hide.
And we fuzzy like pop. We are the monsters in your neighborhood. In your neighborhood.
enough with
Well,
all that
then,
neighbor stuff.
Who's that? Oh, that's Oscar.
Scare. There.
He's a grouch.
Out. 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 Out.
Pleased to meet you, Oscar.
Scare. Scare. Lee. Don't say that. Yuck.
Oh, and gross and rotten smelly fish. And he's so of a broken fish. He makes his trash can lick go well. And likes to say some words with scram. Scram! Grouch is a person in your neighborhood. In your neighborhood. In your neighborhood. Grouch is a person in your neighborhood. He's the guy that you meet each day.
And what about everybody out there?
Oh yeah, they are friends.
Great! There's nothing better than a neighborhood full of friends. Come on, friends, let's sing.
No.
We are the people in your neighborhood. In your neighborhood. In your neighborhood. Oh, we are the people in your neighborhood. We're the people that you meet when you're walking down the street. We're the people that you meet. Yeah!
Yay.
Boy, you guys sure love to sing.
Hey. Yeah. There.
Nah,
Welcome. Gum.
me. Come on, Oscar.
There.
He never wants to meet anybody.
Buddy.
But what? But do.
Two. Hey, by the way, if you're really a knight, where kingdom do you come from?
From the camel craven. Even.
Hey. But in the book, you ran away. No way. Because nobody believed that the Sesame Knight cheated. Yeah.
Oh, that's awful. It must have been feel awful to me. Not being lonely. Yeah. Like, he really cheated.
That's. Well, that's frustrating. Okay.
Wait a minute. The story! But Ben! What about the story?
Oh, here it is. Listen. The Shadow Knight declared that he is now the greatest knight of them all. That now Gus is gone forever. So to make it clear, the Night Knights break the mirror portal to pieces by throwing it out of the window and shatter it. Oh no!
What happened next? Let's find out.
Hey!
What's the matter, Big Bird? Ah!
Oh. All the pages, they're blank!
Ink.
Ink. Oh no! That means we'll never see how the story turned out! And we'll never get to see the ending! Oh, what are we gonna do? Oh. No. No.
Oh no! No! Me no happy ending?
Oh no. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Wait, gotta get back to my kingdom. But what's the use? What do we end up what? Shadow Knight is right. I'm just too Itsy Bitsy to do anything.
Wait. 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 No. No.
But Gus, you shouldn't give up. I'm a fairy amazing.
Man,
I had a lot to learn about magic, but I didn't give up. And one time, Elmo lost his blanket when I grew Hustle. But that doesn't stop Elmo from getting his blanket back.
Yeah. And one time, Miss Fedge moved me from Sesame Street to the Dodos. But I wanted to go back home to my real home of Sesame Street. I didn't give up. Except I was caught by those two men. Men from the but my friends rescued me. Gordon and Susan. Me.
Yeah.
You shouldn't give up!
Oh, Gus? What?
Wait.
What you need is help.
Help?
Yeah. Help.
Hey, we are help around Sesame Street. Why don't we help you get back home and tell all the people that the Shadow Knight cheated?
You really think so?
Yeah.
We know so. Well, I can...
Well, no.
We'll get back to your kingdom in no time.
Hey.
All we need is a plan.
Hey.
Thanks, guys.
He's...
Do you really think you guys can help? Sure. We're all friends.
Even new ones, too.
Oh. But how are we gonna get to your kingdom, Gus? The mirror was shattered by those night knights.
But,
Yes.
I have an idea. I'm gonna get us back to... And it's back. I think that's this home. You know, magic.
Jick.
Yeah. Hey, my sister Aya does magic too.
Oh.
Wow. I can't wait to meet your sister.
Stir.
There.
No. Stir.
There.
There. There. There.
But even if we did go to your kid, how are we gonna prove to anybody that the Shadow Knight cheated? I got it! My Grandpa Merlin!
Grandpa Merlin?
Yeah! He's wise enough to help us! All we have to do is go to his house, have some spells, and then maybe he got an image that we can use let the Shadow Knight be cheated.
Good.
Hey, that worth a try.
Yeah! Yeah, that's a great idea.
Correct. But first, I have to do some magic so we can get you to your kingdom.
Okay. Hey.
And can you all help me? And all of you can help me.
Me.
Correct. Will you? Yeah. Ah, correct.
8.
We put out the moon. Once upon a time. We are in the world where our new friend Gus lives. We're in the new world. We're in the world where Gus lives. Zippity! Zippity!
Wow. Oh, whew. Whoa! Whoa!
Where are we?
Wait. Yes, we're in your world. Oh.
It isn't back!
Heck.
And look! That might be your grandpa, Merlin. Wait.
Sure is something.
Thanks. You're right, Abu.
What?
Did I fuck the cat? Better. Let's find out. Grandpa Merlin! Grandpa Merlin!
When?
Grandpa Merlin?
Hey, he's not in here. He's not here. Hello? Anybody home? You're right, Ellie. Hey. Oh no. Something happened to him.
What do you mean, Telly?
Look! Friends. Maybe your grandpa's been taken. Again. Yeah. Then. When?
Where went to?
That.
No.
That. Troy?
He's a mean troll. He's a troll. Oh, who lives in the swamp?
Troll.
Wait, he's mean, Elmo. You don't think
He meant it.
kidnapped my grandfather? There.
There. Oh no! What are we gonna do now? Ow. No.
I gotta rescue him. Him. Are you guys up for it? Sure, yeah.
Okay.
Do you know someone who lives in the home? My troll friend. Her name is Rosie. She lives there. She'll help us find my grandpa.
There. And get her. That's Joy? Wait.
Yeah, by my board. He has some stinky. He rather can stop us. Yeah.
Anything off? I don't like that. But there's gonna be one.
Celebrate my adventure.
Sure. Well?
Come on, everybody. We're on a quest to find the rescue of my grandpa Merlin.
Len.
Yeah. Hey. You know something?
Know what? Zoe.
That wouldn't be. Wait. We're starting another song.
Yeah.
Adventure is something.
We promise it's gonna excite you. Oh, an adventure is something as thrilling as it can be. Oh, adventure and a wonderful story, and so will excite you. To hear about something that happens in my friends. We're fucking Elmo's kids. We won't forget. Down the mountain.
We climbed for 1,000 hours and saw some spooky towers.
And the fella with his mountain.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Adventure.
Where to do adventure?
We're going on an adventure today. What an adventure.
What an adventure!
Open up a door and saw a dinosaur. This chasing Ernie had that boy got the game. I can save our skin. We scared that beast away.
It does something about the an adventure today. What an adventure.
Adventure.
Remember to a Thursday way. I can't hear my part yet. Go. Rocket.
Ow.
Go. Let's see the singer. How is it together? Hey, it's over. Adventure. Adventure today. What an adventure. Let's do it. When you come to the adventure. We're going on an adventure today. Come on.
Come on, everybody! I know where they live.
Yeah.
The Cholatin. It's in the swamp. Come on!
Yeah, let's go.
Oh. No. Hooray! Do you all want to join on an adventure? Yeah! Hooray! We'll be back. Huh? We'll be back. Yeah. After this break. Hey. See you soon.
Adventure. We swear to do adventure. Our story